guess the song.
Ottawa is next.
Sounds very 90s to me. Everybody says hey, and
That also sounds like you're in a bad car accident. Oh,
at a train crossing.
something.
I love the song.
I like the song too. Yeah, I'm gonna give that a 7 because I like the song.
Me too.
I'm gonna give it a 9.
This song will get you fired up. Who was it?
Ottawa, this is Philly. Now this apparently does sound amazing in the actual arena.
That's a take on an old.
Pretty cool. I'd say
I know.
8 for that one.
Takes too long to get going. They had me on the horn, lost me a little bit on the song.
I like it.
I'm gonna go 7.
I'm gonna give it 8.
6.
Next up is Pittsburgh, one of my favorites as well. It's probably gonna sound bad in this audio though.
What do you like?
No, that sounds good. It's LeMayo.
I know.
The Mayukes?
What do you
LeMayo.
like?
The Mayukes?
Okay, Pittsburgh.
9 for me. That's good.
Really?
Yeah, I like that. I'm gonna
Give
give it
it
a
a
9.
6.
One of the best actual horns. No, next up is San Jose, the worst from both song and horn perspective.
That's too bad.
I know. They failed miserably. Because it's a very 90s.
Not for me.
You can play the Baby Shark song now. Oh,
Oh boy.
Yeah. They feel pretty bad at this.
there's something
No,
like
this
that
song was played in SpongeBob. This was that's how like
That was way before SpongeBob too, but it's like from the 90s.
I know.
That's like a
6.
4 for me.
I give it a 3.
6.
You're giving it a 6.
I have been to hockey games or teams. I've been to playoff
I
games.
don't know that song.
Okay. Next up is St. Louis, and they have an organ play when the Saints come marching home instead of an actual song. Very yeah.
I used to be able to play that on the piano. Oh,
Come on.
Only heard that once last night.
it's pretty original.
It is very. The people of St. Louis hate. They try to change it, and Dan was killed.
I think it's kind of cool. It's a little old school. Their uniforms are really cool.
I'm giving that a 9. I like it because it's old school.
Well, because you're from there.
It's very retro. I have mixed feelings about it. 7.
I'm giving it a 5.
Ginger chewing that bone is going to be on your
It's
video.
fine. Okay, it's better than Sean and Luke screaming at me. Next up,
In Kirsten.
Tampa Bay, not bad. Tampa Bay's a little. So they have like a Tesla coil flashing a lightning bolt during the school.
Mm.
5.
It's like very conscious. People really like it. People really hate it.
I like the horn. I just the music is.
The horn's too long for me.
5.
I give it a 4. And it's too long. I don't like it. 27. Next up, Toronto. This sounds like Boston a lot.
Oh, fun.
Oh boy.
I love them. Wait, that's a weird song to play when you score a goal, though.
I feel like that's not right. There's no way that's right. Hold on, I'm gonna have to pause this. I'm gonna have to look up a Toronto.
He's from Philadelphia. Both those guys are from
That's
Philadelphia.
really funny.
Why would they be playing in Hall and Oates?
I'm looking this up.
You make my dreams come true is a goal song.
Hey, Mom. Can Can you allow the podcast app? My screen time is about to be out.
There
It is.
That's Hall and Oates.
That's horrible. That is the worst thing I've ever heard. I'm giving that a 1. That is not a goal song.
I'm giving it a 3, honey, because the horn was good.
I love the song.
Song choice was ODD.
What are you giving it 1?
5.
5. Okay.
Wait, I didn't do anything yet.
Nearing the end here. Okay, next up is Vancouver.
No.
Wait, just wait a second.
Mom,
You can edit it out.
Wait,
You're
I'll
gonna
wait
see
aloud.
what I'm doing.
Okay, put it right here. Okay, keep going.
No, I'm gonna wait till Sean's going.
Okay, get out of it. Okay.
Where are the Canadians called the ham steaks?
I actually don't know why.
For the habanero?
Okay, so next up is
Mexican Canadian.
Vancouver.
That is so random.
I know.
And not from Toronto.
No.
Unless maybe Oates is
Everybody's
from...
happy and nice there and
Daryl Hall is from
passing
Philadelphia.
each other cookies and
Greasy cookies.
greasy cookies. Oh, I like the green dance. That arena is apparently pretty cool to see again.
Six.
I'm giving it an 8. I like this song. I like the song. I like the vibe.
One of the few that sounds more current than most
Very.
of them.
Vegas.
So this is,
Vegas.
this is the song.
Kind of sounds like Walk the Moon.
It does.
It sounds a lot like Walk the Moon. Hold on, I'm gonna look that up too.
That's a very mediocre 5 for me.
Yeah, how weird. They had the chance
Hey,
to
brand
like
new
start from
franchise,
scratch
yeah.
and do something really cool.
It sounds like they've been in the league for 20 years.
That sounds like Fall Out Boy. I think everything's gonna
No,
say
it's
Fall Out
Walk
Boy.
the Moon.
You have a horrible ear for that.
I know. Wait till you see who sings the song.
Panic at the Disco.
That's the same thing. Those
No.
guys were